Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to watch sport on Apple TV. In order to watch sports on Apple TV, you just have to follow these simple steps. First thing first, you have to open up the TV app on your Apple TV and select the sport tab. After that, you want to go ahead and click on the sports tab from the top. Then you'll be taken to this page where you have to scroll down and select your favorite team banner. When you actually do this, select one of the available spots. Then you can choose as many spots as you want. And to use the TV app for the favorite, I pick your favorite team banner. Then choose from the available spots and select the team. Now repeat it to add more teams to your list, and after that highlights the favorite to see all of the team that you've chosen is in one place. The team are now included in your favorite team section under the sports tab. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next